Morning everyone, here I am Miss Rupam Bajpayee, and in our today's class we are going to continue our lesson, which is lesson number 4 of EVS. So you all know that how much portion we have already completed. So let's recall and let's know that how much we have learned and what we have learned. So how we will get to know? So first of all, in this lesson what we have learned, let's get to know that from the plants we are learning about the plants, and from the plants what we are getting. So firstly, the thing we are getting, that is our food. This you got it, that from the plants we are getting our food. Now in food we are getting here two things. First is fruit, 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 and second is vegetable, vegetable. तो हमें फूड से क्या मिल रहा है? वी आर गेटिंग टू थिंग्स हियर, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. ओके, सो हमें फूड में from the plants, what we are getting from the plants, that is fruit and vegetables. And now fruits, you know the part of the plants very well. एक plant के जो parts होते हैं, that you know. So fruit is the part of the plant. You all very well know that fruit is the part of the plant. Now in vegetables we are using different parts of the plant. In vegetable, yeah, for vegetables we are using different parts of the plant. Like what? So that is we need to know. So which parts of the plant we are using as vegetables, so that we will know with this lesson. So you know the parts of the plant very well. Like there are leaves, there are root, stem. These all are the parts of the plants which we are eating as vegetable. So let us know which part we are eating as what? As vegetable. Okay, so first of all, you know that roots that we are eating as vegetable. Roots क्या होता है? It's a downside part. है ना, ये क्या होता है? ये रूट भी एक पार्ट है प्लांट का. देन वी हैव स्टेम ऑल्सो. सम वेजिटेबल्स आर एक्चुअली स्टेम एंड वी आर ईटिंग. some are leaves and some are flower. So let us know which vegetable is actually leaves, which vegetable is actually a flower, which one is root, and which one is stem. This we will get to know from this lesson. So here you can see in this image, आपको यहाँ स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा होगा इमेज में, that there are cabbage and coriander, and you can see properly that these are looking completely like a leaf. ये तो बिल्कुल पूरा leaf जैसा लग रहा है. Some parts of the plant doesn't look like that they are really stem or really फ्लावर. मतलब कुछ पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट जो हम एज वेजिटेबल खाते हैं, वो हमें लगता नहीं है कि ये रूट है या ये उसका फ्लावर है. कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसको हम वेजिटेबल की तरह खा रहे हैं, बट दे डजंट लुक लाइक दैट. बट यू कैन सी हियर दीज लीव्स, दीज आर प्रॉपरली लुकिंग लाइक दिस. इवन स्पिनच, spinach, spinach. You all have seen spinach. It looks definitely leaves, and which you are eating as vegetable. उसका हम क्या करते हैं? उसका हम vegetable का एक अच्छा सा साग बना के आपके मदर आपको सर्व करते हैं ना. तो इस तरह से हम प्लांट के कुछ पार्ट्स को एज वेजिटेबल ईट करते हैं. दिस you know. Now you know that there are flowers that are eaten as vegetables. Some are flowers जिनको आप क्या कर रहे हो? as vegetable लेते हो. और वो कौन से फ्लावर हैं, वो कौन से फ्लावर है जिसको हम as vegetable eat कर रहे हैं? that are cauliflower and broccoli. cauliflower you can see in your kitchen and broccoli too. ये भी अगर आप अपने किचन में जाकर देखेंगे तो आपको दिखेंगे, and they look completely like a flour, and you are making its saag, and then you are eating it. Now later moving on, here what we learned about the grains. We in our previous class we learned about the grains. So you can see here grains from some plants such as rice, wheat, maize and barley. Grains from some plants such as rice, wheat, maize and barley दीज आर कॉल्ड सीरियल्स। तो हम इन ग्रेन्स को क्या बुला रहे हैं? सीरियल्स। हम इन ग्रेन्स को क्या बुला रहे हैं? वी आर कॉलिंग इट सीरियल्स। एंड these cereals we are using to make our food, हाँ। चपाती रोटी, you all are eating chapatis daily, है ना, हम सभी खाते हैं चपातीस, और चपातीस को और क्या बोलते हैं? सो वी कॉल इट रोटी। चपाती इज मेड फ्रॉम फ्लावर। चपाती किससे बना होता है? इट्स मेड फ्रॉम फ्लावर। चपाती किससे बना होता है? फ्लावर से। और ये फ्लावर क्या है? आटा। ये फ्लावर क्या है? आटा। और ये आटा किससे बना हुआ है? सो दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ ग्रेन। ये किससे बना है? दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ ग्रेन। ये ग्रेन से बना है। सो यू नो दैट ग्रेन्स से हमें क्या मिलता है? ग्रेन्स वी आर कॉलिंग सीरियल्स। ग्रेन्स वी आर कॉलिंग सीरियल्स। एंड सीरियल्स से हम क्या बनाते हैं? फ्लावर। फ्लावर विच इज आटा। एंड विद दिस फ्लावर व्हाट वी मेड। अब हम इस फ्लावर से क्या बनाते हैं? सो वी मेक चपाती। वी मेक चपाती विद दिस फ्लावर। सो दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम द व्हीट। मतलब हमें व्हीट से क्या बनाते हैं? हम चपातीज बनाते हैं। ओके, सो यू गॉट इट दैट विद द चपाती, how we are making the chapati we are making from the flour, and flour we are getting from the wheat, and wheat is actually a grain. Wheat is actually a grain, and this grain we are calling it cereals. ठीक है, we are calling the grain cereals. One more time I'm telling this. ठीक है, so first of all is chapati. Chapati we are getting from the flour. Flour we are getting from wheat. Wheat is a grain. Wheat क्या है? एक grain है. And all the grains we call it cereal. Grain को हम क्या बुलाते हैं? We call it cereal. So now you got it. The chapati, from the chapati we are making the chapati with this flour. Flour is actually wheat, and wheat को हम क्या बुलाते हैं? Grain. And grain, all the grains we call it cereals. So this you got it now. Now next one more thing, we also get porridge. अब ये porridge क्या होता है? So porridge is दलिया. porridge क्या है? दलिया. So normal in normal term we call it दलिया. मतलब normally हम इसे दलिया बुलाते हैं. And this you can ask your mother also to make दलिया for you all. And दलिया is very healthy for us. ये कैसा है? बहुत ही healthy है. So you all should take it in your breakfast at least. Now next is seeds of plants such as kidney bean, gram, chickpea are called pulses. Seeds of plants. So these are the seeds of plants. Seeds of plants such as kidney bean, gram and chickpea are called pulses. And listen that these grains are also seed of the plant, but these are dried. Dried का मतलब होता है ये थोड़े सूखे हुए होते हैं. ठीक है, and these are also the seeds of the plants, or the pulses, you know, these are also the seeds of the plants and these are also dried. मतलब वो थोड़े सूखे हुए होते हैं. यू ऑल हैव सीन. और इन्हीं से आप देखोगे, इफ़ यू विल प्लेस द सीड इन द सॉइल, देन द प्लांट विल स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग फ्रॉम दैट सीड. उस सीड से क्या होगा? उस सीड से एक प्लांट ग्रो करना स्टार्ट करेगा. नाउ सीड्स ऑफ प्लांट सच एज किडनी बीन, gram, chickpea are called pulses. So you can see here in this image, these are the kidney beans. These are the gram, these are the chickpeas. Okay, so you all must have seen राजमा राइस. हाँ, हम लोग एक घर पे सबके बनता होगा राजमा विद राइस बनता है. राजमा का वेजिटेबल भी अलग से बनता है. सो दीज किडनी बीन्स आर एक्चुअली राजमा. एंड दीज चिकपी, आप सभी ने छोले भटूरे खाए होंगे, है ना? छोले भटूरे तो आप सभी ने खाए होंगे. तो ये चिकपी आर एक्चुअली द मेन छोला. ठीक है. एंड ग्राम, तो हम इसे नॉर्मल टर्म में बुलाते हैं चने. सो यू ऑल नीड टू नो दैट व्हाट दीज आर एक्चुअल, ठीक है, आपको इनको लेना चाहिए फ्रॉम द किचन, यू कैन गेट वेरी इजीली, एंड यू शुड learn this that these you should actually identify these things, आपको इन सभी को आइडेंटिफाई करना ना आना चाहिए, that these are the chickpea, gram and kidney bean. And also you should take from the kitchen these rice, these are the rice, wheat, you should take this, and bajra, if you have at your home, then you should take this. You should see porridge as well. Okay, now moving on. Here we have in our next page, plant also give us coffee. Plant also give us coffee, tea and sugar. Plant से हमें क्या मिलता है? Coffee, tea and sugar. We get sugar from sugar cane plant. Sugar cane, ठीक है? So here you can see this green one plant. This is sugar cane, and with this plant we get sugar. हमें sugar कहाँ से मिलती है? With this plant. This plant is called sugar cane. क्या बुलाएंगे हम इसको? Sugar cane. And with this plant we get sugar. और हमें sugar cane के plant से मिलता है. Got it? And here you can see this tea, and this one is coffee. So these also we are getting from the plants. We are getting this tea and coffee from the plant, and with this we are making our actual tea and coffee which we are drinking daily. Okay, you all shouldn't drink tea or coffee, you should take daily a glass of water. Understood? What you should take? The glass of water you should take. Now next, we also get oil such as coconut oil. We also get oil such as coconut oil and sunflower oil from plants. We all are using oils, है ना, हम अपने खाने में we are using these oils as food, and for other uses also, like oil you are applying on your body, on your hair, है ना, your mothers are helping you to apply oil on your hair and on your body too. So oils have many purpose for us. हमारे पास बहुत सारे purpose है to use the oil. And from where we are getting these oil, हमें ये oils कहाँ से मिल रहे हैं? So these oils we are getting from the plants. ये हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? This also we are getting from the plants. So you all know that coconut is a plant. Coconut tree name you have heard na? From that plant we are getting coconut oil. There is one sunflower plant also. From that plant we are getting sunflower oil, and many more oils are there like mustard oil, olive oil. So many variety of oils are also there, and that we are getting from the plant. Now there is one exercise for us. So here, circle the food. Circle का मीन्स क्या होता है? सर्किल करना. So circle the food that we get from the plant. हमें जो यहाँ पर food items दिए गए हैं, and the food that we are getting from the plant, that we have to circle. So you all can see there are some vegetables. This is cauliflower, potato, onion that we are getting from the plant, and egg this egg, from where we are getting this egg, hence gives eggs, no? And this cheese is also made up from the animal thing, हाँ, animal products जो होते हैं उनसे cheese बनता है. So this we are not getting directly from the plant. So what you have to circle is, you know that we have to circle this onion, potatoes and cauliflower. This you have to circle. Now here I'm finishing my video, and we will continue our lesson in our next video. Till then, take care of yourself everyone. Bye bye.